Hey guys, this is the channel for the Minecraft stuff and more. Back with another Ceiling Fan video. We're looking at here is a Harbor Breeze Coastal Creek. There's another one of these. This one is located in the kitchen at my first cousin's house. This fan replaced a Harbor Breeze Sage Cove, which got moved to a different room. And then before that was a chandelier. So yeah, I do like the dual install with this one as well as another one in the living room, which is just right here. Yeah, right there. Alright, anyways, I'm going to demonstrate this one, beginning with the light kit. Alright, now put it to low. Yeah, I do like the dual install in here. It looks nice. I mean, the barnwood side is nice too. I'd just rather go with the darker finish of wood, in my opinion. I mean, it really depends on what decor it matches. Alright, go ahead and put this thing up to medium. And yes, this one does a longer change right there. Both these fans are usually left on a medium. That's where I found them at, I believe. Alright, go ahead and put this thing to high. This fan does wobble a little bit, but at the same time, the airflow is good. Yeah, wobble's not terrible. Not really sure why it's wobbling. I guess maybe because it has a plastic outlet box. I'm not sure if it has a plastic one or a metal one, but anyway. Alright, let's turn this thing off. Do a halfway spin down. I mean, even though Casablanca is my favorite ceiling fan company, there's nothing wrong like having a different brand. I mean, that's what I prefer, but I mean these fans do push decent air. All the ceiling fans in this house are a Harbor Breeze, so yeah. They all do push pretty good air. And don't really have a whole lot of complaints about them. But anyways, yeah. This is the second Harbor Breeze Coastal Creek ceiling fan that's in the kitchen at my first cousin's house. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. The channel running Minecraft stuff and more out.